guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to start by saying thank you. I cannot believe we got to the 50,000 subscriber mark. Many of you believed in this channel from day one. It's just crazy to see that we made it. We are at 50,000. I think a couple months ago I did a live and somebody asked me, when do you think you get to 50,000? And I was just so clueless. But thank you guys for making it happen for me. So to show my appreciation, I want to give 2 gift cards to 2 lucky winners. These are 2 $50 gift cards, and I want to make the rules really simple. So number 1 rule is, of course, you have to be a subscriber. So if you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video, make sure you are subscribed, and also like this video, and you want to leave me a comment down below saying enter me, and also let me know what country or state that you are watching my videos from. And make sure you follow me on Instagram, because that's where I will be announcing the 2 winners for the giveaway. And I will close this contest February 6th. That way I can send you guys this gift card, and it will get to you before Valentine's Day, and hopefully you guys can use them towards your Valentine's meal. But I want to seriously say thank you to so many of you that reach out to me on my social media platform to congratulate me. I just can't believe it. I mean, it's just crazy. But I pray and hope that you guys continue supporting the channel, and I have so much things I'm working on for you guys. I can't wait to announce everything to you guys, but it's still in a working process. I just want to make sure everything is done correct and right before I come and let you guys know. But I'm working for you guys, I promise. I'm always working for you guys. So just like you guys are always working for me, just by watching the video, you guys are helping me so much. So thank you, like I said. But yes, so the giveaway will be closed on the 6th of February, and I will try my hardest to send these out before Valentine's Day to whoever win these. Again, thank you guys so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, of course, and comment, like, and share. And I do have another channel on here, guys. It's a Creole channel. It's still a food channel, but I speak Haitian Creole. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go subscribe to the channel. I will leave all the links down below, including my Instagram link, of course. And if you haven't followed me on Snapchat or Twitter, Facebook, please go ahead and do so. All the links will be down below. But other than that, guys, thank you again, and I love you guys for watching. I wish I could hug every single one of you, but thank you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.